Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel from Helping Sudip. I hope everybody is fine. In today's video, I will show you how to cut off any photo's head. So keep watching the video till the end. So first open PicsArt application. Opening application. Just wait. After that plus icon, choose any photos. I choose DJ alog photos. After that tools, clone, same color, and any head joining is picture. After that add photo, my photo, add. After that brush, like the video and must subscribe. I hope explain to you how to cut off any head of any picture. Thank you.